I believe Jason Brown from the Brown Report and thebrownreport.com is a scam artist. David Jaffe with beststockstrategy.com. You can go to beststockstrategy.com and enter in your email address and receive over $400 worth of free training materials. In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why I believe that Jason Brown is a fraud. I listened to about an hour or an hour and a half of his podcasts, and I can tell you that the things that I gleaned from those podcasts include the following. The first is that he encourages you to buy options. We all know that when you buy options, the only people who get rich are the insurance company. Just like when you go to a casino, the only winner in the casino is the casino themselves. The people who play the games, the gamblers, they are the losers. And the longer those people play, the more money they lose. And in this instance, by Jason Brown encouraging you to buy options, we all know that there have been numerous studies which have told us that there is never a good time to buy options. The more options you buy, the higher probability that you're going to lose your money. So by Jason Brown encouraging you to buy options, he's essentially encouraging you to throw your money out and to lose money. The second thing is that he teaches people, he says himself in his podcast that he teaches people how to read charts. We all know that technical analysis, or at least I've shown on numerous occasions and I've told people, and it's my belief, that technical analysis and learning how to read charts is not a skill that is going to help you learn how to make money. Day trading and technical analysis and using indicators and learning how to read charts is not a valuable skill that is going to cause you to be profitable in the stock market. The fourth thing in his podcast, I don't remember exactly which one, but he tells you that it's important for you to buy life insurance, or he encourages you to buy life insurance. This is not something that I would recommend because we all know that some insurance you have to buy. It's compulsory, right? Like there's some insurance such as on your house or on your car that you have no choice but to buy. But insurance is overpriced by around 300 or 400%. And as I said earlier, that when you buy insurance, the only people that you're making rich is the actual insurance company. Jason Brown specifically indicated on one of his podcasts that he says day trading is quick money, but this is false. We all know that your probability of being successful as a day trader is extremely low. In fact, I am going to link to a study below that has looked at 360,000 day trading accounts from the Taiwan Stock Exchange, and they found out that the probability of you being successful consistently as a day trader is 1 in 360. Again, they evaluated 360,000 day traders and they followed them, and only 1,000 of those 360,000 actually made money consistently. 359 out of 360 people who day traded, or 359,000 out of 360,000 people lost money day trading. The average loss was around 15%. Now, this is where it gets even more interesting. The average winner, so the 1,000 out of 360,000, you know how much money they made? 5% above simply holding on to an SPY ETF index. Meaning that if you simply buy the SPY ETF index and you hold on to it, then you are better off than almost every single day trader. And even if you find a day trader that 1 out of 300, actually I think in the exact study it says that the top 500 out of 360,000. So the top 500 out of 360,000 day traders, they earn 5% incremental alpha over an index fund. So, I mean, you're not necessarily like going out and buying expensive cars and expensive homes by 5%. So all these people who tell you that they're making like 40 or 50% by day trading, they're lying to you. They are fake gurus. And finally, it's pretty apparent and it seems highly likely that Jason Brown has bought and purchased his subscribers on YouTube. He has almost 37,000 subscribers, yet his videos get 500 views. I don't even have 6,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and I receive, some of my videos have over 30,000 views. So it's highly unlikely that he actually earned his followers and didn't engage in actually purchasing them, because someone who has 37,000 legitimate followers should definitely have more than 400 to 500 views on his videos. So let me make sure that I went over everything. So Jason Brown from the Brown Report, it's my belief that he is a fake that he's a fake guru. He encourages people to buy options. He's mentioned that a few times on his podcasts. We all know that when you buy insurance, the only people who get rich are the insurance company. He teaches people, he said himself that he teaches people how to read charts, which I quoted the study, and also day trading does not work. He tells you, he's indicated that you should buy life insurance. He has quoted that day trading is quick money, which we all know it's not. It's been proven through numerous scientific studies, and I think it's even accepted in general society that 90% of day traders lose money. That's actually false. It's not 90%. It's actually 99.8% or 99.7% of day traders lose money, meaning that your probability of actually making even just 5% above holding an SPY index is 500. Well, you're not going to earn above 5%, but the chances of you earning 5% above simply holding an SPY index are 500 in 360,000. I mean, that's pretty bad odds. And the other thing is that, I mean, it seems pretty evident to me, and in my opinion, that he's bought his followers and his subscribers, where he has 37,000 subscribers, yet he has less than 500 views on many of his videos. So this is David Jaffe with beststockstrategy.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I respond to everyone. I'm here to help you. Once again, if you want free options trading training, you can go to beststockstrategy.com and enter in your email address and receive some of the best products available. I don't teach you how to buy options. I teach you how to sell options, because we all know as retail traders, the best way that you can earn consistent and predictable revenue is by selling option premiums, so that you turn yourself into the insurance company and you turn yourself into the casino. If you have any questions, let me know. I appreciate your attention.